Hi, and welcome to my hotel and room tour of the Grand Hyatt, Washington, D.C. We stayed 5 nights in the centrally located hotel near the National Mall, the White House, and the Smithsonian Museums. A metro center station is also only a few minutes away, giving travelers easy access around the city. The hotel was recently renovated, and based on previous videos I've seen, the updates are quite nice. And real quick, if you enjoy videos like this, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. I try my best to give a brief snapshot of all my travel adventures. We stayed on the 4th floor and used a suite upgrade award to lock in this grand suite. At nearly 1,000 square feet, this room provided more than enough space for our family of 4. It's a fully loaded suite with a half bathroom at the front entrance, a large dining table with 4 seats, as well as a firm couch and 2 swivel barrel chairs. We did order takeout during our trip, and it was nice to have a dining room table to enjoy our dinner. The couch is not a pull-out sofa bed, so we laid down some bed sheets and my daughter slept perfectly fine. The TV was appropriately sized for this large living space, and we did make good use of it. But again, these are not lounging chairs. Coffee maker and refrigerator are located near the dining area along with an extra closet. We had a nice city view of H Street, and the sliding doors led to a Juliet balcony where unfortunately it was a haven for bird droppings. The king bed was comfortable with nice clean bed sheets. There were no reading lights, opting for 2 large lamps by each nightstand, which had 2 built-in USB-A and 1 USB-C ports. Consistent with the living room furniture, the bedroom also has a firm chair and ottoman. Sliding windows lead to another unkept Juliet balcony. The separate vanity area is a nice extra touch. It's well lit and has a small drawer as well. The double-doored closet was large, though I wish the room had a larger dresser. There's a small dresser in the bedroom, but the drawers are both small and shallow. The bathroom has double sinks, a standalone bathtub, and a shower with dual heads and adequate water pressure. Odd arrangement with the shower and bathroom doors, as they are right next to one another and will collide should they be both opened. Not the best design and rather strange. However, the double sinks are great for multiple guests with plenty of counter space. Flooring is classy with a smooth, matte finish. Located on the 12th floor is the Grand Club Lounge, where access includes daily breakfast, evening hors d'oeuvres, and desserts, as well as all-day beverages. Breakfast offerings included a couple egg choices, potatoes, bacon, sausage, and oatmeal. There was also a good selection of pastries, with my favorite being the almond one, complete with a tasty almond paste filling. As Hyatt Globalists, Club Lounge access is included. This hotel only offers breakfast for Globalists in the club, so no double dipping at a restaurant. In the evening, there would be a couple entrees, along with soup, salads, crudité, and some additional small bites. Alcohol is available at an additional cost. Dessert hour would have small cakes and cookies. The seating was comfortable with an adequate amount of space. There's no view of the city since the windows are overlooking the hotel atrium. Seems like a lost opportunity, especially since we're on the 12th floor. And one last thing about the club, say hi to Nancy and May. They are amazing. In the basement on 4B is the fitness center. It is well equipped with various life fitness cardio machines and strength training options. Unfortunately, there is no pool at this hotel. It would have been a welcome amenity since DC's June weather was about 90 degrees each day. Also, there are 2 Peloton bikes. With Hyatt and Peloton's collaboration, members are able to accumulate World of Hyatt points on select workouts. During my stay, I finished several sessions, but no points were tallied to my Hyatt account. Sometimes it's instant, sometimes it takes a week. Around the property, there are quite a few dedicated conference and event spaces. On the lobby level, there is a Starbucks Reserve, a couple gift shops, and a restaurant. I did not dine at the restaurant because there's so many other things to eat around the area. Parking is valet only, and before taxes a hefty $65. Resort fee of $30 is another added cost, but may be waived with point bookings or if you have globalist status. Overall, this hotel's location, amenities, the clean and newly renovated rooms make this a solid choice for visitors. It is a decent value as a Category 5 Hyatt point redemption. Rooms can range anywhere from $300 to $400 a night, and suites can go for well over $800 a night. What do you think? Thanks for watching.